Hello, my name is Kevin Dodd, and I'm the Director of Safety here at Kyvek Energy Services. I'm in charge of everything related to safety over both our offices in Carlsbad and Midland. This includes our safety managers that check our field crews on a daily basis, all the way down to the JSAs that we do on a daily basis. Here at Kyvek, we provide multiple different safety trainings, from PEC and H2S to lockout tagout for authorized users. We also provide CPR first aid training through ASHI. This gives you certification to perform CPR on adults, children, and infants with the use of an AED. We provide all these trainings and classes in both English and Spanish. Here at Kyvek, we strive to provide a safe working environment for all of our employees. We have been fortunate in our industry to have 0 fatalities for the entirety of Kyvek's existence, and that's 25 years. Kyvek's Safety Department works closely with ISN, Veriforce, NCMS, and EWN to stay up to date on the safety requirements and reporting for all the companies that we work for.